Hi, I'm Mandy Shaw, and this morning I'm going to show you how to make some vintage pin keepers. I found an old pin keeper in a needlework box that was given to me, and I had a good feel and scurry around it, and I realised it was really simple to make. And they're just made out of vintage tray cloths. I've made them out of vintage tray cloths. They were embroidered in the past, and of course you could use old embroidery transfers and make your own bit of fabric. I found some really gorgeous transfers. Look. There's rosebuds and all sorts of things on, but I haven't got time for that, so I thought I'll use vintage tray cloths to make these lovely pin keepers. Very, very cheap, 50p, £1.50, not very expensive at all. Charity shops help the aged, those sort of shops are really good for this. Or ask the charity shop if they have tray cloths, they always save them for you. They might think they're rubbish, but we can do wonderful things with these. And of course, do you see what I've done? I've used the nice pink ones as markers and then filled them in with just ordinary bog standard blue ones from a mixed pack of pins. So they're really lovely.